So hello everyone. Today we are going to solve today's lead code question, and as you can see this is an easy question. And I think lead code एक नया पैटर्न स्टार्ट करने जा रहा है लाइक पिछले कुछ दिनों से वो प्रीफिक्स सम के क्वेश्चन दिए जा रहा था. नाउ आई थिंक you can expect next couple of days you can get string questions. So let's just try to for this question, and it says given an array of string words, return all the string words that is a substring of another word. You can return the answer in any order. This is the definition of a substring. And if you see its constraint, and constraint is very low, so we can apply a binary search. Sorry, not binary search, it's a brute force approach. Sorry for that. So I'll just copy the first test case, and this is the first test case, and let's just try to compute the answer for this. And how we are going to compute it, let's see. My answer will be an array, so we have to return an array. In that array we have to put the string which is a substring of another string. Like, you go to every string like this one and assume that this is a and try to find uh, the string in the remaining strings, uh, if it is the substring of other string or not. Like, if you find this is not that string, this is not that string, and this is also okay. Let's just erase this and go to next string, and this is the next string, and we are going to find the string which contains this string as a whole. Like, if you can see, this mass is contained that string, like as is contained. So I'll just put into my answer, this is string and this is as. Okay, after finding this string, then I'll move to the next one, and next string will be this hero, and the remaining string will be this one. In the remaining string we have to find a string which contains this string as a whole. Like, mass is not contained, s is not contained, and superhero, if you see superhero, okay, you can as you can see, this hero is contained. So we have to just put it into my answer, so it will be hero. Okay, as you can see, as and hero are the our strings. So let's just check. Yes, as and hero is the output. Okay, how we are going to solve this? Like, as I said, it's the constraint of this problem is very low, so we can use a brute force approach. So let's just try to write a brute force for pseudocode, and it goes like for int I equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, now for int j equal to 0, j is less than n, and j plus plus. This is for fixing the first string, and this is the remaining string. Okay, if I equal to j, then we have to continue. I hope this will understand to you. Like, अगर दोनों ही सेम कैरेक्टर, लाइक दिस हीरो एंड दिस हीरो, अगर तुम इसी पे चेक करोगे तो यस, दिस इज द सब स्ट्रिंग ऑफ इटसेल्फ, लेकिन हम ये नहीं चाहते ना. सो वन सेकेंड. ओके, that's why we have to skip that. Otherwise, we will find if is sub string words of I and words of G. If it is, then I'm going to push into my answer, push back words of I. So this is the function which we will write, and this will going to return me true or false. If it is true, that means this string is a substring of this string. Okay, and if it is false, that means this is not a substring of this, so we will not push into my answer. Okay, this string we will write it in shortly. So let's just go, and after the loop ends, I'm going to return answer. Okay, so this is the pseudocode, and if you try to compute the time complexity for this, it will be big O of n square for this two loop, and for the checking you can m square. Okay, so this is the time complexity, or Um, to remove this time complexity like m square, you can use like a KMP algorithm. KMP algorithm can take like big O of m, and the time complexity reduces to n square. If you don't know KMP algorithm, you can just watch any YouTuber video. Like I think Striver hasn't uploaded any video like KMP. You can watch any YouTubers and just understand, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अब जो भी लीड कोड के क्वेश्चन आएंगे वो KMP एल्गोरिथम के ऊपर ही आएंगे, क्योंकि ये तो ब्रूट फोर्स है. इसको आप किस इस तरीके से भी सॉल्व करेंगे देन इट विल बी एक्सेप्टेड. बट आने वाले कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे लाइक KMP के ही ऊपर होंगे, बिकॉज ये स्ट्रिंग मैचिंग के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. और द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इट विल टेक बिग ऑफ एन प्लस एम, विच इज टेक्स्ट एंड पैटर्न मैच करने के लिए. सो मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा कि आप जाके KMP का वीडियो देखें, सो दैट यू कैन सॉल्व any question which is related to sub strings. Okay, let's just move to the code part, and वहीं पे हम अपना this ये वाला function भी लिखेंगे. So let's just go. Okay, let me store the length of the given array, which will be words dot size. Okay, then let's just create a string array of string. This is going to be our answer, and for int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus. If my I is equal to j, then I'm going to continue this. Otherwise, I'll check if is sub string words of I, words of j. Okay, if it is, then I'm going to push my to my answer. It will be words of I and break. After that, I'm just return answer. Let's write the code. Function is substring. It is going to return me a boolean. Okay, this will accept a string. One is pattern and string. One is going to be text. Okay, let's just store the sizes of the pattern. Pattern dot length, and I'm equal to text dot length. Okay, for int I equal to 0, I is less than m, I plus plus. Okay, we will start comparing. Like I'll just create a j equal to 0 and k equal to, it will start from I, while j is less than m, n, and k is less than m, and my pattern of j, if it is equal to the text of k, then I'm just increase k plus plus and j plus plus. If my j equal to n, then I will return true. Otherwise, after the loop ends, I'm going to return false. Okay, I hope this code is enough. Let me try to run. Okay, this is accepted. Let's submit this.